Imagine your shop being transformed into a highly effective, world-class school bus maintenance facility. First Transportation Solutions, driven by First Student, offers a full-service maintenance solution with expert ASE-trained technicians. Our shops are equipped with the latest tools and diagnostic equipment that reduce vehicle downtime, improve reliability, and lower the total cost of ownership for your school bus fleet. First Transportation Solutions utilizes lean best practices and the state-of-the-art systems. Our experts are dedicated to keeping your buses in top-notch condition, ensuring that your students experience the safe possible journey to and from school. Our 3,300 technicians hold over 2,700 ASE certifications, and we're proud to have the most ASE Blue Seal shops in North America. We take pride in our contribution to the school day, giving you peace of mind that dedicated, consistent, and highly trained technicians are maintaining your vehicles. Our proprietary preventative maintenance program delivers a 99% on-time rate for scheduled repairs, with 98% of needed roadside calls being dispatched or on-site within 30 minutes. First Transportation Solutions can provide unmatched negotiating and purchasing power, bringing you the highest quality parts and equipment at the lowest possible price. You'll also have the support of our diverse fleet maintenance expertise from servicing not only yellow school buses, but virtually any other type of vehicle or powered equipment that you may have in your district. You can be assured that we will maintain your vehicles properly and to the highest safety standards. Let First Transportation Solutions help you effectively and efficiently manage your district's transportation maintenance operations by contacting 1-866-387-6020 or First Transportation Solutions at firstgroup.com.